Hello and welcome to Cryssberry Kitchen once again. Today we're going to see how to make this very tasty soya chunks masala gravy, and it tastes as good as chicken or mutton gravy. So let's see how to make it. So here I have 3/4 cup of soya chunks. I'm using these small sized chunks. So first we'll wash it in plain water and then we will put it in boiling hot water. We have added some salt to the hot water. So now we will drop the soya chunks in the hot water and bring it to boil. So now that it has started boiling, okay, so we'll turn off the heat. We'll let it cool and squeeze out the excess water. So now I'll add the masalas to it. So here I have 1/4 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1/2 teaspoon of red chili powder. So you can add it according to your taste, and 2 teaspoons of coriander powder. So 2 level teaspoons will do, and 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder. So mix it well and let it marinate for some time. Here I have 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. So now we'll heat the pressure cooker. We'll add some oil. So about 1 tablespoon of oil. So we have our spices here. That is 1 black cardamom, 1 stick of cinnamon and 2 cloves. So we'll drop it into the oil. So you can also use green cardamom instead of black cardamom. That's optional. Now I have added ginger garlic paste and we'll saute it for some time until it releases a nice aroma. We'll add some salt to it so that it doesn't stick to the bottom. Okay. So now we have chopped onions here. That is 2 medium onions chopped roughly. And I'm dropping into the pressure cooker. We'll saute the onions till it turns golden brown. Saute it on low medium flame. Now we will grind 2 medium sized ripe tomatoes to a paste. So now that our onions have turned golden brown, we will add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder and mix it well. And we will add our tomato paste into the pressure cooker. Cook till the tomatoes change color and become soft. Now we will grind 1/2 cup of grated coconut with 1 black cardamom, 1 clove and 1 cinnamon stick. A small piece of it will do. Don't add too much spices, this will do. So now that our tomato is cooked nicely, so we'll add the soya chunks into the pan. So just cook until it coats well. About 2 to 3 minutes, and we'll add the remaining masala water into it. It's the same masala that we use to marinate the soya chunks. Now we'll add 1 small green chili into it. And some salt. Mix well. We'll add about 3/4 cup of water, that's plain water. And then we'll pressure cook this for 1 whistle. Just 1 whistle will do. This step will help in the masala getting nicely absorbed by the soya chunks and the onion and tomato nicely mashed up. Okay, it's done. Let's check. Okay, it's done. Can you see? The onion and tomatoes are nicely mashed up and we don't have any kind of bite-sized pieces in it. And we'll boil it for another 2 minutes until the water evaporates a little bit. And now we'll add the ground paste of coconut and spices. So just mix it well and bring it to boil. Cook it on low medium flame. And yes, it's done. Can you see it? Wow. It's well cooked and I'm getting a nice aroma of spices now. So we'll garnish it with some cilantro leaves or coriander leaves. Okay, So our very delicious and tasty soya chunks gravy is ready to eat. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching. Cook, share, enjoy.